got it back. So, new quarter down here. New rockers, new floor, new cab support, everything. Back here is all new. All that is all new. The door's shut beautifully. New leaf springs, and it's actually cleaned up pretty good just sitting there. It took a long time to get this, but I'm happy with it. On this side has been completely done. He made a cut about here and replaced everything. This is original Ford truck part. This is in primer. This is not paint. I still got some gooey crap here I need to fix. The interior is coming out. This interior is going to be brown. We're going to a brown interior. The seat is just sitting in here. And then all this has been cleaned up inside. It's all solid. It's really nice. This piece. That door shut's beautiful. The lines are good. The only real issue now is the radiator core support. You can see part of it here. It's in real bad shape. So that's the next big thing to get fixed. I'm gonna order one and put it in, but you can see it's all gone. Anyway, so I still have the bumper for it. I didn't install the. I need to do the bumper. But putting the bumper on, the passenger fender. I still have that passenger fender sitting inside. I have a set of headlights, a set of tail lights, the bed. I actually have a door, but it has a small ding right here. But the door otherwise is solid. Just beautiful, solid door. So I'd like to use that. This frame is going to be cleaned, painted, new exhaust system, new front fuel tank, new, you can see there's no shocks on it right now. New shocks. The shocks he took off for me, which is really nice. The rear fuel tank is in good shape. I have rear tail lights for it. So yeah, it's really kind of coming along. Had the brake line. There was a brake line problem. The brakes were leaking. Replaced a brake line, and yeah, and the brake line down here was fixed. So I'm gonna start by power wash it, and then using I gotta cut these. That's the remainder of the bolts for the bed. I'm gonna cut those off, and then I can start cleaning and painting. I can do the tanks and everything else, yada yada, all that stuff. The rims are gonna get repainted. And I have a hood for it. So yeah, there's gonna be some big doings, and the windshield's leaking right now, so that's gonna be, actually that'll probably be the first thing that happens, is a windshield. So I'm gonna fix around the windshield, and then I'll have a new windshield installed, and then it'll be in good shape. So, yeah.